Hey, look. I found some weird holes.
Okay. That's 3 butt shots.
Huh?
What? That is so weird. Canteen. Oh! We're playing Motorslice. That was really weird. You can annoy her with the mouse. I have to try that. All right, we already read all this stuff. This is, we're gonna pretend like this was our first try on this game. I wonder if that's why Woo-Wah doesn't pop up. Something in the settings.
Failure is forbidden.
Oh, I keep forgetting I'm getting flash banged like crazy. That's a big orb. P. Hey, she's just kind of vibing though. Let's get moving, P. Oh, all I did was jump down. I restarted for no reason. Audio good? Everybody can hear this? Yada, yada, yada. Bing, bing, bing. A bit loud? Is it a bit loud? Maybe it's a bit loud. Hey. Whoa. 70, 90, 80? Why not? Okay, Ninja Gaiden. Hold R2 to lock on enemies. Oh, that's an what?
Hey, you. You're finally awake.
Did I die? Wow, that's a lot of gunk. That must be the gore they were talking about. It's not gore for humans, but gore for gore for robots. All right, let's go. Let's go, Ninja Gaiden, ninja. Dang, she got a Call of Duty slide. Hold to Motorslice. That's a really powerful chainsaw blade.
Wow.
Slack off? What? Easy job. There's actually a slack off option.
Didn't detect a structure this big.
I didn't know she could talk. What the?
You know, Orbie, if I knew it, I wouldn't have accepted this contract. So much for an easy job.
I didn't know she talked. Why don't we have some fun? Stop complaining, P. Yeah, why don't we have some fun? Am I the orb talking?
No time to waste, Orbie.
We're literally sitting down. What do you mean no time to waste? All right, cool. Uh-oh, I know this. I know what this is. Yup. Yup. Dang! Bloody brilliant! This music reminds me of that other game I played. The one with the guns. The one I couldn't finish because I got rid of Game Pass. What the freak? Neon White. Yeah. I like Neon White. Oh, I thought I was supposed to jump to the orb. If I get outfits for collecting the orbs, that's like the only way I'll like go around collecting them. I'm not gonna lie. smooth sliding. Ooh, you got a really floaty jump. Wait, so is this game like one slash and they die, and if I get hit, I die? Moves vertically, rotates sideways. You get? Is it one shot? It is? Oh crap! How do I get around there? She got some crazy arm string. No! All right, that's fine. Oh man, this is gonna be so hard. Whenever I already know there's gonna be sections where there's like 1,000 enemies. What is that? Yeah, boy. I would not put all my trust into that. Cracked him and used to climb. She's very agile. Neat. Trust me, I've been playing demos like crazy, so next stream might be a bunch of new demos too. I feel like playing demos I like them because they're short and like there's a whole variety, and it gets you interested in like a whole bunch of different games. That's why I really like playing demos and stuff. I haven't played like a series on this channel since what was the last game I beat on there? I don't remember. Like a full-fledged game? I don't remember like the last one I beat. Oh, was it Metal Gear? Maybe Metal Gear? The Metal Gear series? I was gonna play Asura's Wrath for my B-Day, but I just decided not to stream that day. Hello. But I'll still probably end up playing Asura's Wrath just because I love that game. It's gonna be a birthday tradition. Can I make that jump? Bro, who programmed these robots to know how to dodge? Who programmed this robot? What the heck? Who programmed this robot with Ultra Instinct?
Hey, it's me, Goku!
I like this stage though. It's pretty cute. This reminds me of like I don't know. She feels like she could be a Dragon Ball Z character. Am I supposed to do something to soften my fall? Can I make that? Oh, you're supposed to press LT. There's a crouch button. She looks like she's about to be on the album cover when she does that. Hold on. Let's get us an album cover. No, the camera zooms in. There we go. Just put like a filter over that and like a big logo, and you got an album cover right there. You know, ever since you got like recommended that one ramen to me, I rarely eat the one I ate before. Thank you for that, by the way. You made me a changed man. Ooh, platforming section. Ah! Okay. Nice. Oh crap, is that not a... I thought that was something to hang on to. I like the vibes of this game a lot. Okay. I can't see anything. Oh, I got a flashlight. Duh. I like the vibes of this a lot. Interact with objects. Oh, is this a puzzle? Do they not know that I'm the puzzle king?
Not the cap.
Cha-jan. I wonder what's the most wall jump somebody's ever done in real life. Because this is some next level anime stuff. There's two different ways. Why would I not Motorslice? Wait, is that a different way or something? Oh my gosh, this game really is gory. She just explodes. How? He's not human. He's actually not human. Was he trained by a ninja? What the heck? That's some ninja Gaiden stuff. Highest vertical wall run is 4 meters, 13 foot. It was achieved by Erwin Sucre. I'm gonna say, you say the French Sucre? On the set of Le Monde des Records, Paris, France. Oh, I just want to know who trained them to do this crap. Like, who wakes up one day and said, you know what, I want to run up the wall as far as I can and get a world record for it. This game is very pretty. No! As you can see, chat, my platforming skills is a little rusty. Betonte.
Central says we have an interference. But wasn't Batten Tech supposed to be motor-proof?
Another
I
one.
want to replace
How many
my
butt shots they gonna
Another
get?
It's still working fine. You're made of Batten, Orbie. What's your view?
She looks like one of those 80s girl protagonists.
Looks like Operator G is just slacking, huh?
She could have definitely been like an 80s protagonist. I can definitely see it. I mean, I've always wanted to run up a wall. Pretty sure a lot of people wanted to run up a wall, but to that extent, I never woke up and said, yeah, I want to get a world record for wall runs. Oh, I keep forgetting I got a flashlight, man. I feel like this is gonna be like a game that people speed run. This definitely has speed run potential. Patiently waiting for Charlie to do it now. And then go, woo, yeah, baby. Ah, cracks. Dang, she's quite daring to be doing all this crap. Is that death? Is there gonna be like a big boss at the end of this? I feel like there is. Oh, it's so foggy in here. Oh, this looks so... Well, you can't even see it when I do it on my screen. I can see it, but when I... Man, she just stays covered in oil. I'm not sure that's good for the health. Oh my gosh, they're weaving! They're dodging! Bro, who trained these freaking robots? Goku?
Hey, it's me, Goku!
What the heck? I've never seen just like these kind of robots. Like, they're not even like advanced robots. This is like if a toilet came to life and was parrying all your crap. Oh, this definitely looks like a boss area. I know how it ends. That's why I never played it before. Because I was looking on like games where you're actually the main villain, and like they had Nier. I think that's why I looked it up, because Nier was on there and stuff, and I was like, oh, Nier's on there. I want to know what else they had on there. And I still don't understand the premise of the game at all. I didn't finish the demo, by the way. The way everything worked didn't fit with me. I like this game.
Hey, look. I found some weird holes.
Okay.
Another one.
Another
Am I
butt shot.
connected to something?
Another one.
That's 3 butt shots. What? That is so weird. P, you're such a good girl. What the freak? Orbie, what's going on, bro?
Maybe the whole structure is connected?
Orbie, what's going on? What's going on through that robot head of yours? That was such a weird thing to say. There we go. Whew. Oh, you'll play it when it comes completely out. Got you. Riding and climbing around for 15 minutes. Good lord. So is it a peaceful game? Look at the way she walks. Like, she swings her hips full. Like, literally. Is that there's no way this is a boss, right? No shot. What am I supposed to do? Cut its tires? Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, wait. I was about to say there's no way. Where's the health at? Oh, I'm dealing damage now. Bro, that was such a clutch save. Oh my god. The problem is I missed the spot. Oh, it's dumping me. No!
Oh my god! Oh jeez! Oh my god!
my gosh. This is so anime. Don't lose your way. Na, na, na. Oh, it just fades to the oblivion? Well, that's a random death. Ah. He just he just faded. So you want more? Plus bosses. Plus chapters. Plus slice of life. This is not a slice of life. Plus enemies. Plus features. Plus mega structure. Plus P. More.
Motorslice. Wish list now.
Why did you say slice of life? Brother, you hit the ground, you explode. What is that? What? They counted my deaths?
Expose him!
Well, that's embarrassing. He's interactable. I would have never guessed. Is everything interactable? If you annoy her? Shoulder tap, 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 shoulder tap. All right, right shoulder. Shoulder tap, shoulder tap, shoulder tap. Stomach tap, stomach tap, stomach tap. She's basically telling me to piss off. Canteen, 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 canteen.